Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Bankwest credit card. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in bankwest.com.au and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Bankwest. Now from the homepage, click on Credit Cards and then click on Manage My Card. Now within the Manage My Card section, click on the login button at the top section and then use your appropriate login portal. You will then be allowed to enter your credentials. Just type in your personal access number followed by your account password that you have set up while creating your account. Then click on the login button and you will be logged into your credit card account. From this page, you will find the option to cancel your credit card. If you don't find this option, then click on Contact Us at the top section and then click on Ways to get in touch. From here you will find the number that you can use to contact the support team as well as the fax and post box number. The easiest way is to use the phone as you can directly explain your case and the support team will be happy to guide you through the steps that you can take in order to cancel your credit card. And there you have it. That is how you can go forward in order to cancel your credit card on Bankwest. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.